can people find truly cash flow positive deals inside Australia?
Sure. Okay, so just to clarify there, because often there is a mix of terms here, truly positive cash flow means it's actually not just covering your mortgage expense, it's also covering all of the other associated costs. Okay, so
very good distinction.
Truly positive cash flow. So nothing at all should be coming out of your pocket. It's entirely coming from the rent of the property. To find those properties, and yes, they definitely do exist, it is a real thing, it really comes down to research. I'm a big believer in objective research data, and so we actually buy our data externally from some research companies. That's all they do, is just provide that data, because we want to get away from that model of people making investment decisions based on the advice of their friends and family. As much as they care and love about you, honestly speaking, it's very unlikely they're actually investing experts.